morning and welcome to Sarah's Stampy Retreat. Today I've got another gift wrapping idea for you. So today we're going to print some of our own gift wrap. So I've got some just normal brown wrapping paper there, and we're going to use this gift wrap stamp set here. So I'm going to use this bow. You could use a selection or a different one, whichever one you wanted. So I'm just going to add this stamp to my block. I'm just going to stamp this randomly all the way across my paper. Going to take this little star stamp and I'm going to add a little bit of extra interest by stamping a few of those around. Notice that not all of my stamping's perfect. I've got a couple where it's not fully stamped, like this one down here. I've got a couple where I've smudged it, and part of that is because I've not been taking my time. I've just been doing it quite quickly because it's on a video, so you can take your time at home. But I also think if you do make a mistake, just leave it. Like, it adds to the handmade element of it, and it will show whoever receives it that you've spent a lot of time making them some special gift wrap. So I think that's a really lovely thing. So then I actually think it looks really pretty just like this. So you could use it just like that and just make it really quick. Or I'm actually going to add a little bit of colour. I'm not going to colour them all, but again, you could if you want to. This is your paper, so you can just do whatever you fancy. I'm just going to use my Stampin' Right markers. So I've got the Poppy Parade and the Granny Apple Green here, which are from the Brights colour palette. So if you wanted to use these colours, you need the Bright set. And I think it's nice to use the brighter colours on the brown paper, because the brown paper obviously makes them a bit darker anyway, because it's not a white background. There's our paper with some of the bows coloured. So I'm just going to go ahead and wrap the present, and then I'll come back. So there's our present wrapped, and I'm just going to use All the Trimmings ribbon combo pack, and I'm going to use both the red and the green from this pack. So let's just measure how much we want. So I want it to go round there and round the outside. And I want enough to tie a bow as well. So let's go for about that much. So I've got the 2 lengths of ribbon, and I'm just going to put them around the outside and then have them going like that across there. And I'm going to just tie a bow in the middle. So I just neaten up those ends. So then we'll just make a coordinating gift tag. So I'm going to pop a piece of 4 inches by 2 inches crumb cake cardstock into the delightful tag topper punch. I'll just punch that out. And here I've got a scrap of crumb cake cardstock. I'm just going to stamp a large bow onto it. That's the Memento black ink that I'm using. And then I'm just going to colour it using the same colours we used earlier, so the Poppy Parade and the Granny Apple Green Stampin' White markers. I'm just going to use my bow punch just to punch that out. So then I'm just going to use this piece of dimensional here on the back of here. Just to pop that up. And I've got a piece of the same green and gold ribbon. I'm just going to poke those through from the back. And then I'm going to pop it through here. Like that. And then that's just ready to tie on to our package. So that's our project completed for today. I hope that you enjoyed it and that you'll have a go at creating your own gift wrap now. If you did enjoy it, I'd really appreciate you clicking like below. And if you'd like to see future projects, then you can click subscribe and press the bell button and select all to get notified when a new project comes online. All the products that we've used today will be listed in the description below, and there'll also be a host code there so that if you pop that into your basket before you check out, then I'll send you a free gift after the end of the month. Thank you so much for joining me today. Hope to see you again soon.